This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. Beautiful home perfect for your family, 3-bedroom 2-bath split floor plan. It opens into a spacious formal living room and dining room overlooking the lanai and private fenced backyard. The kitchen offers a pass-through window to the lanai on one side and a bar countertop on the other, making it perfect for hosting. The large master bedroom highlights sliding doors accessing the lanai, a walk-in closet, and a connected bathroom with a dual vanity. Plantation shutters give a finishing touch to this home. Available for move-in first week of August. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.